Hi friends!
Harry's Harbour is a small community located on the northern coast of Newfoundland, Canada. It is situated in the Green Bay region, specifically in the Baie Verte Peninsula. The town is known for its picturesque coastal setting, with stunning views of the Atlantic Ocean and rugged cliffs surrounding the area. Originally a fishing and logging community, Harry's Harbour has a rich history tied to the maritime industry. The town's economy has traditionally been reliant on fishing, particularly cod and lobster, as well as forestry. However, like many rural communities in Newfoundland, Harry's Harbour has faced economic challenges in recent years due to declining fish stocks and changes in the fishing industry. Despite its small size, Harry's Harbour is a close-knit community with a strong sense of community spirit. Residents are known for their hospitality and friendliness, and the town has a welcoming atmosphere that attracts visitors looking to experience the beauty of rural Newfoundland. The town is surrounded by natural beauty, with opportunities for outdoor activities such as hiking, fishing, and wildlife watching. Nearby attractions include scenic coastal trails, pristine beaches, and the rugged cliffs of the Baie Verte Peninsula. Harry's Harbour is also a popular spot for birdwatching, with a variety of seabirds and other wildlife to be spotted in the area. In terms of amenities, Harry's Harbour is a small community with limited services. There are a few local businesses, including a general store and a small restaurant, but residents often travel to nearby towns for shopping and other services. Overall, Harry's Harbour offers a peaceful retreat for those looking to experience the natural beauty and tranquility of rural Newfoundland. It is a place where visitors can immerse themselves in the stunning landscapes and rich maritime heritage of the region.